One seam, no pattern, a belly dance skirt that actually fits your body. Hi everyone, it's Ma from Sparkly Belly, and today I'm sharing with you a super beginner-friendly belly dance skirt. This video is part of the beginner's guide to belly dance costume making, and I'll show you the easiest skirt you can make. Custom fit, perfect length, no pattern, and just one seam to sew by hand or sewing machine. Let's get started. You need 1 meter or 1 yard of stretch fabric. Choose a fabric that stretches in all directions. This makes the skirt comfortable and forgiving, and matching color thread. So first, wrap the fabric around your body with the right side facing inside. The right side is the side you want to show on the outside when the skirt is finished. Now let me show you how to adjust the length perfectly. Fold the top of the fabric to adjust the length. It's easier if you look at the mirror while you do this. A belly dance skirt usually sits just under the belly button, and the hem can either touch the floor or sit about 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch above the ground. Choose what feels best for you. Once you're happy with the length, wrap the fabric snugly around your waist and hips. This line is where you'll sew the seam, so mark the spot on both ends of the fabric with pins or clips. Now take the skirt off and lay it flat. Adjust the fold to make it nice and even. And match the marks you made. And sew here about 15 centimeters or 6 inches down from the top edge. Make sure to use a stretch stitch, and you can sew this by hand or with a sewing machine. If you need tips on sewing stretch fabric, have a look at my How to Sew Stretch Fabric tutorial. You'll find the link down below. Oh, and you can extend the seam if you want a shorter slit. Now I'll show you how to clean this up and keep it comfortable. Trim away the excess fabric, leaving about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the seam. Then cut diagonally down here to the bottom corner. You could trim the excess fabric at the very top too, but I recommend keeping it. This folded section acts like a soft waistband and gives extra support. For a more finished look, you can fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch along the raw edges and sew a zigzag stitch. But for this example, I left the hem unfinished. Stretch fabric doesn't fray, and on stage, the edges aren't really visible, so finishing is optional here. And that's it! Your super easy belly dance skirt is finished. I love the beautiful minimalist silhouette. I actually made this entire outfit in 1 hour, including the decoration. If you want to see how that went, have a look at the 1 hour challenge video. The link is in the description. And once you're ready to level up your skirt game, check out the Sparkly Belly All Access membership. You'll get access to 20 courses and over 40 designs, including professional style skirts that are made to move and make you feel amazing on stage. Intimidated by pattern making and calculations? Don't worry, every course comes with a special calculator, so you can skip the math and still create perfectly fitted skirts based on your own measurements. Curious? Check out the link below. I hope you're excited to make your very first belly dance skirt. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my online fabric shop guide next. You'll find great places to buy stretch fabric that actually works for costume making today. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!